Do you need to remove a damaged or outdated floor system? We handle it with a clean, efficient demo that minimizes disruption and sets the stage for a lasting new floor in your flooring's future. We specialize in efficient flooring demos, whether you're replacing a coating, fixing underlying issues, or starting fresh. Let's break down what flooring demo involves, when it's necessary, and how we do it with minimal disruption to your operations. Flooring demo or concrete floor removal is a process of taking up old coatings, overlays, adhesives, or damaged concrete layers to prepare for a new system. We use specialized equipment like scrapers, grinders, scarifiers, and jackhammers to safely and effectively remove what's failing without damaging the slab beneath. You need it when your existing floor is peeling, cracking, or delaminating. It's also critical when the surface is too damaged to coat or restore, or when you're switching to a new floor system that requires different prep or performance standards. Skipping a demo or doing it halfway can cause major problems down the line. New coatings won't bond properly to contaminated or loose layers. Building over damaged floors often leads to premature failure, wasted investment, and more downtime. A clean, properly prepped slab is the only way to ensure your next floor performs the way it should. We plan every demo project around your schedule, whether it's during a planned shutdown or in phases, so we don't disrupt operations. Our crews contain dust, manage waste, and leave the site clean and ready for whatever's next, resurfacing, polishing, or a high-performance coating system. We deliver a safe, efficient floor demo that protects your concrete slab. We remove tile, including ceramic and porcelain, along with mortar beds for a clean, bare surface. We take up carpet, glued down or stretched, along with the tack strips, adhesive, and padding. We lift vinyl tile, removing tightly bonded tiles and adhesives common in commercial settings. We remove sheet vinyl, including rolled material, cove base, and glue, ready for recoating or overlay. We detach and dispose of engineered wood or laminate, whether glue down or floating. We handle rubber flooring removal, including high adhesion tiles and rolls in gyms, healthcare, and industrial spaces. Most demo projects range from 50 cents to $3 per square foot, depending on the size of the space, the materials being removed, and site-specific conditions like accessibility or adhesives. We'll give you a clear, itemized quote before work begins. Visit customcrete.net to request a quote or schedule a site walkthrough. We'll assess your floor, build a plan, and handle the demo so your next system starts on solid ground.